Hello, and welcome to an overview of the key features and applications of the Algo 8186 SIP horn speaker. This PoE endpoint is a solution for voice paging, loud ringing, and emergency notification, which can be fully managed and supervised on the network. Typically, this is used in large or noisy locations, such as a warehouse or a manufacturing facility. The horn speaker may be also located outdoors when properly installed. For customers already familiar with the Algo 8180 SIP audio alerter, the 8186 horn speaker is equivalent to the 8180 and the 1186 8-ohm horn speaker, combined into an all-in-one endpoint. All of the 8180 features have been included in the 8186 horn speaker. Like other Algo IP endpoints, the 8186 horn speaker supports both SIP registration and multicast. Open Standard SIP, or Session Initiated Protocol, makes the Algo 8186 SIP horn speaker compatible with almost any UC-hosted or premise platform. These are just a few of the UC platforms compatible with the 8186. Some key features of the 8186 horn speaker include a 6.5 by 11-inch horn with excellent speech intelligibility, supporting both G711 narrowband and G722 wideband codecs. The horn speaker may be wall or ceiling mounted or attached to a double-gang electrical box. Ergonomic adjustment knobs allow for easy horizontal, vertical, and rotation adjustment. A microphone in the base of the speaker provides talkback and automatic response to ambient noise level. A simple RJ45 plug connection to the PoE switch is all that's required for connectivity of the speaker. The 8186 horn speaker supports both static and DHCP IP addresses. If the reset terminals are momentarily connected after boot up, the 8186 will speak its IP address. Alternatively, the endpoint can be located on the network using Algo's locator tool. A programmable relay output can be used to activate additional alerting products or mute other audio sources. An input may be used to activate an alerting event from a normally open or normally closed contact. This input also supports a supervised connection to the Algo 1202 or 1203 illuminated buttons. When the speaker input is activated, an alert can play or a SIP call made to a pre-configured extension or hunt group. The 8186 horn speaker is easily configured using its web interface. Simply type the IP address of the endpoint into a browser and enter the password for access to the many features including volume control and customizable WAV files. Need to change the speaker page zone? There's no need to get out an extension ladder or rewire the speaker. Just use the web interface to select any zone you like. For a simple voice paging application, the speaker's page extension is registered with the UC server. Paging is as easy as dialing the horn speaker just like a telephone. The horn speaker will auto-answer, play a customizable pre-announced tone, and then open the voice path for the user to speak the announcement. If enabled, the horn speaker will also provide talkback and will flash its blue light indicating listen mode. A ring extension is also available to register in the 8186 horn speaker. One use for this is loud ringing, where a telephone in a noisy area is difficult to hear. This is configured in the 8186 by simply having its ring extension in a call group that includes the telephone. Several WAV files in memory of the 8186 include a warble, a bell, or chime, and all are selectable via the web interface. Note that a single 8186 horn speaker may be used for both ring and page applications. In addition to loud ringing, the ring extension of the 8186 can be used for safety, security, and emergency notification in application environments such as schools, factories, transport terminals, and utilities. Any number of speakers may be deployed, and notification messages or alerts are easily customized as WAV files. The 8186 horn speaker can be configured with multiple ring extensions for unique notifications, such as lockdown, weather, medical, or safety events. Such alerting can be continuous for the duration of the event with extensions designated as ring to activate and ring to cancel. Often, more than one 8186 horn speaker will be required to cover a building or campus. To support this, all Algo endpoints, including the 8186, can generate and receive a multicast. This makes the solution scalable from one to many endpoints using a master-slave configuration. Any number of endpoints may be simultaneously activated for paging or notification, where one device sends a multicast to the others. There is no limit to the number of endpoints to include in a multicast. You can even mix Algo endpoints in a multicast to combine different speakers, such as the 8188 ceiling speaker, 8180 SIP audio alerter, and include visual notification with the 8128 SIP strobe light. Multicast capability also includes receiving an IP multicast from other sources, such as either a standard RTP multicast or Polycom group page. In this application, there is no SIP registration required. The ambient noise monitoring capability of the 8186 can adjust speaker level to the background noise of the environment. For voice paging or ring notification, this feature works well when the noise level can change, such as the case in a manufacturing plant or schoolyard. When background noise level rises, the speaker automatically gets louder to improve speech intelligibility, while not being too loud at other quieter times. Zone paging is easily configured with as many zones as required, using multicast zones and/or SIP registration to individual speakers. In this example, we have a warehouse, office, and outdoor yard. Zoning may be required for the warehouse only, yard only, or warehouse and yard. An all-call option can be easily configured to include the office if desired. Page zones are not dependent on network wiring to the endpoint and can be easily changed through the web interface. We hope you found this product introduction useful. For more information or application assistance, including speaker layout advice, please contact us or visit algosolutions.com/8186.